The linear approach to industrialization is under immense strain. A growing and urbanizing global population is driving resource price volatility and resource scarcity. The circular economy is an alternative to the predominant linear take, make, dispose economy of production and consumption, which relies on large quantities of relatively cheap materials and inputs and produces a lot of waste. A circular economy keeps products, components and materials at their highest utility and value at all times. It is regenerative by design and is essential to decouple economic growth from the consumption of finite resources. A circular economy provides a solution to this ever-increasing problem. CHEP's business model sees the convergence of the circular and sharing economies and demonstrates the sustainable business model of the future, operating in more than 60 supply chains globally right now. In 2014, CHEP attained Chain of Custody certification for its 100% of wood supply. Certified forestry preserves the crucial natural capital of our forests, ensuring harvested areas are regenerated, biodiversity values are conserved, and a secure supply of raw material for industry. Our products are designed to protect the harvest from farm to the supermarket shelf, which plays a critical role in reducing food waste through the supply chain.
Therefore, it's not a one-way trip like a cardboard box, but it can be continuously reused over and over again.
Customers return the equipment to CHEP or it's transferred to another participant for reuse. CHEP retains full ownership of its equipment at all times. This eliminates the customer's need to purchase and manage their own equipment, reducing cost, complexity and waste from their supply chains.
The network advantage is the scale and density of our own physical locations and those of our customers. CHEP's network advantage combines both physical points of presence and distribution centres and the unparalleled knowledge and insight and systems that have been developed and refined from over 60 years of experience in supply chain logistics.
CHEP's end-to-end supply chain solutions leverage our network scale, unrivaled asset management knowledge, offering customers a more efficient and sustainable alternative to single-use packaging.
Many of our boards are collected from old pallets that will be reused in the repair process. Every time our pallets are used, a one-way pallet is not needed. And also, when a pallet can't be repaired, it is used in many different ways so that nothing goes to landfill.
CHEP's circular foundations and unique position in the supply chain enable us to collaborate with our partners, creating circular ecosystems that make supply chains even more efficient and sustainable. We are also putting our big data to use by developing digital solutions that could transform the supply chain as we know it. This is how CHEP creates sustainable value for customers, shareholders, our people, and the planet. You see, it's not just a pallet, it's the world's largest circular supply chain system, and it's helping realise the potential of circular systems thinking. But CHEP hasn't achieved circularity on our own. It's our partnerships that make this work, and this collaborative network will help the world trade more sustainably.